Hi, my name's Tash Frost, and to sponsor me for the MS Readathon, just come to readwithtash.com. Bye! You should be happy, Malcolm. You're going up in a helicopter. Dad's got a strange look on his face, and when Dad gets that look, terrible things always happen. Maybe he's excited about the helicopter ride. I know I am. I don't think so, Malcolm said gloomily. Come along, Malcolm and Emily, Professor Mouse. Find a cold. We're all packed and the pilot is ready to go. Three of them scrambled on board in a minute. They had lifted off and were flying towards some snow-covered mountains. Aren't they beautiful? Emily exclaimed as she took a photo. You look like big, they're like big ice cream cones. I want to put my tongue out and lick them. Soon the helicopter was circling the tallest mountain. Just look at that snow, the professor yelled. Have you ever seen so much snow? The professor signaled for the pilot to take the helicopter down to the peak. Dad, where are we going? Malcolm asked. I just want to stop off and do an errand. What kind of errand? You'll see, Professor Mousefinder said. I know he was up to something, Malcolm whispered in Emily's ear. The helicopter touched down on the three of them piled out into the snow. The pilot then pulled a backpack and a big package out of the back of the helicopter. The package was all wrapped in plain paper and tied with string. Professor Mousefinder lifted them down onto the snow. Just as the helicopter flew away, hey, where's he going? Malcolm yelled. Never mind about him, the professor said, searching in his backpack. But how will we get back? We're on the top of a mountain, Dad. It's fine. Aren't you going to open the package? Malcolm untied the string and took off the paper. Great, he said flatly. I don't even know what it is. It's a toboggan. His father said, have you ever seen a nice one? No, I haven't, Malcolm sighed, because this is the first one I've ever seen. Oh, Dad, Professor Mousefinder was busy putting film in a camera with Emily whispering in Malcolm's ear. Try to be polite, she said. What am I going to do with a toboggan? Malcolm whispered back. I hate snow. You should always say you like something when it's a gift. Well, I don't, Malcolm said, so I can't. All right, Professor Mousefinder said, rubbing his hands together. Now for my three-part plan. Tell me this, Dad, Malcolm said. Does your plan have anything to do with mice? You are a very clever boy, the professor said, slapping Malcolm on the back. if there's anything that makes a mouseologist like me happy, it's a mouse. And what makes a mouseologist's son happy is just going home and having some pizza and birthday cake, Malcolm mumbled. There is a very rare kind of mouse that lives only on the top of mountains, the professor said. It's called a snow mouse. The proper name is Musliprianus. Don't tell me, Malcolm said. We're going to try to catch one. Yes. And wait it and take its picture and then let it go. You're a quick learner, Malcolm. Quick learner. That's what we always do. This is great. We're going on a mouse hunt expedition on my birthday. But Professor Mousefinder didn't hear this. If it was windy and he was bent over putting another knot in his bootlace. To be continued.